y'all, so if y'all have not seen how I do my Bogart method, please watch that video just so you all will be up to par to what we're about to do. So what I'm about to do now is lay this wig for the final time. I will insert a couple of videos where I've worn this wig. I've worn it a couple times in like the past 2 years, y'all. Like, yeah, maybe like 2 years, 1.5 years at the most. But yeah, y'all, so we are about to lay this wig for the final time. We're just gonna go ahead and lay this. I'm not sure if I want to lay it with some glue or just the got to be. I really do want this wig to last me about maybe a week. So I probably will try to lay it with some glue. I just haven't been having the best of luck with glue. So I am going to be doing this in sections. Let me just show you. I usually wear it on this side, which I probably still could. It would just have to be like a very, not a deep side part. But as y'all know, this frontal is balding, and right here is all, there's no hair right there. Like literally none. I do like to wear my hair on this side part. So let me just see. If like I think I can repart it and still get away with it. So I'll probably just do that instead of just switching the entire part, because this wig has been cut to frame my face going this way. So let's just keep it that way and see what we can do. I was ready to just switch up the part, but let's just see. So like I said, I'm about to go ahead and glue down the front part. Don't want it to be so tight. And like I said, usually y'all know I will have my wigs all the way down here, but I'm going to actually try to stay on my hairline today. So let's just get started. I am going to be using the cling glue. I'm going to do this in sections, and I'm going to do 2 layers per. So let me just place, so right here. So yeah, I'm not going all the way up here this time. I'm just going to stay right here. And we're going to go ahead and go in with our first layer.
It's easy.
Hey, from the whole shit right here. Just want to see you shine, mama. No matter whatever you do. Hey, and whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. I got your back no matter what you go through. Just wanna see you be whatever you choose. And whatever you do, I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. Want you to shine.
I'm not using thick layers. I'm using very thin layers. I know it may look a lot when I actually like put it on there, but then I go in with a popsicle stick and just spread it.
Want you to grab me because you dancing the blue. No matter whatever you do, I say whatever you do to make it better for you. I know the sky may seem cloudy, so change the weather for you. No matter what you may choose, nobody you have to prove, because it's you and your shoe. To life you set your own rule, and every day a new obstacle try to stand in your path. But for the sky you should reach, make sure to start what you grab. Want you to live all your dreams, climb every mountain you see.
Okay, so now I'm just going to place the lace into the glue.
And so well the stripping and ironing, so washing dishes is signing. Just be patient, it coming. You gon' make it, I promise. And we gon' ball on these suckers, the top won't take it back from us. I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. Want you to shine just like the sun in the moon. Want you to grab me cause you did.
So now I'm going to go ahead and tack down the sides, and then I'll be back. The process pretty much is the same. Don't want this video to be too long nor redundant, so we're just going to go ahead and do the other 2 sides, and then I'll be back.
Want you to grab me cause you dancing the blue. And whatever you do, and whatever you do, whatever together, we won't settle for no lesser. We gon' get this cheddar, be real forever, ain't no pressure. Ready for whoever, think they gon' press us. Stay with our heads up, feel no oppressor. Wanna be successful, ayy. And all my nigga, we gon' get there. I do it for my nigga, locked down in the DNL. And for my mamas out there barely catching welfare. I know it hard sometimes, they wonder who the hell care. But I do, I wanna see you improve. I wanna see you touch the sky, want you to walk on the moon. Make like a flower in bloom, and rule the world to your tune. No matter what you may choose, just do the best you can do. I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. Want you to shine just like the sun, want you to shine just like the sun. Want you to grind because you dance in the blue. And whatever you do, I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. Want you to shine just like the sun in the moon. You got what we doing, want you to grind because you dance in the blue. And whatever you do, I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. I got your back no matter what you go through. Just wanna see you be whatever you choose. And whatever you do, and whatever you do.
It's easy.
Hey, from the hard shit right here. Just wanna see you shine, mama. No matter whatever you do. Hey, and whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. I got your back no matter what you go through. Just wanna see you be whatever you choose. And whatever you do, I say whatever you do, I wanna see you do the best you can do. Want you to shine just like the sun in the moon. Want you to grind.